All of you very good morning students, zoology first year. In the previous topic animal tissues. In the animal tissues are the four types. First one epithelial tissue, second one connective tissue, third one muscular tissue, fourth one neural tissue. Epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue and neural tissue. So, first one epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue is the completed. In the previous class, epithelial tissue is completed. Simple epithelium, compound epithelium, glandular epithelium. They are the completed. Next, today topic, second one connective tissue. So, the connective tissue is the most abundant and most widely distributed connective tissues. The connective tissues are most abundant and most widely distributed. Most abundant means the animal body, the most important is the connective tissue, and widely distributed means maximum all parts of the body. So, these are the covered, they are presenting on the all parts of the body. So, they are the most abundant and most widely distributed tissues. Next one, they are connective tissue, named of the connective tissue because of they are the support, the binding and support of the all the body parts, binding and support of the all the body parts, binding and support of the all the body parts of the connective tissues. Next one, these connective tissues is origin from the, these connective tissues are origin from the mesodermal in origin. These are the mesodermal in origin. The connective tissues are origin from the mesodermal. The three germ layers, ectoderm, endoderm, mesoderm. All the body parts arising from these three layers. The connective tissue is origin from the mesodermal in origin. Next one, the connective tissue. The connective tissue contain a cells and extracellular matrix. The connective tissues is formed by the cells and extracellular matrix. So, the extracellular matrix contain two types, the fibers and ground substances. The extracellular contain two fibers and ground substances. The fibers are the collagen fibers, reticular fibers and one elastic fibers. Collagen fibers, reticular fibers and elastic fibers. That ground substances presenting on the water, proteins, polysaccharides. And etc. So, these are formed by the connective tissues. The connective tissues contain a cells and extracellular matrix. The extracellular matrix contain a fibers and ground substances. The fibers are the collagen fiber, reticular fiber, elastic fiber. Next one, ground substances. So, they are presenting on the water, proteins and polysaccharides. And etc. So, they are presenting on the connective tissues. Next one, the connective tissue contain a three types. Connective tissue divided into three types. Connective tissue divided into 3 types. First one is the areolar tissue. Connective tissue divided into 3 types. First one, 3 types. First one, connective tissue proper. Connective tissue proper. Second one, skeletal tissue. Third one, fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissue. Fluid connective tissues. Connective tissue proper. Next one, skeletal tissue. Next one, fluid connective tissue. So they are the connective tissue containing 3 types: connective tissue proper, skeletal tissue, and fluid connective tissues. So first heading, connective tissue proper. First one, connective tissue proper. First one is the connective tissue proper. First one, connective tissue proper. First one, connective tissue proper. Connective tissue proper. First one is the connective tissue proper. Connective tissue proper. That connective tissue proper is divided into 2 types. First one, loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissue. Second one, dense connective tissue. Dense connective tissue. Loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue. That loose connective tissue divided into 3 types. One is the areolar tissue. Second one, adipose tissue. Adipose tissue. Third one, the reticular tissue. Reticular tissue. The loose connective tissue divided into 3 types: areolar tissue, adipose tissue, and reticular tissue. The third one, the dense connective tissue divided into 3 types. Dense connective tissue divided into 3 types. First one, dense regular connective tissue. Dense regular connective tissue. Dense irregular connective tissue. Dense regular connective tissue. Dense irregular connective tissue. Third one, elastic connective tissue. Elastic connective tissues. So these are the connective tissue proper. Once revised, so the connective tissues. The connective tissues are the most abundant and most widely distributed connective tissues. Abundant means they are the more important, and widely distributed means all the organs are present in the connective tissues. Next one, they are origin from the mesodermal in origin. The connective tissues are origin from the mesodermal in origin. Next one, the connective tissue formed by the cells and extracellular matrix. The connective tissue is formed by the cells and extracellular matrix. That extracellular matrix is presenting on the fibers and ground substances. Fibers and ground substances. The fibers are the collagen fiber, reticular fiber, elastic fiber. Collagen fiber, reticular fiber, and elastic fiber. Next one, ground substances. In the ground substances, water, proteins, and polysaccharides. Presenting on the water, proteins, and polysaccharides. So they are the formed by the connective tissues. Next one, the connective tissue divided into 3 types. They are divided into 3 types. First one is the connective tissue proper. First one, connective tissue proper. Second one, skeletal tissue. Second one, skeletal tissue. Third one, fluid connective tissue. First one, connective tissue proper. Second one, skeletal tissue. Third one, fluid connective tissue. Next one, first heading, connective tissue proper. First one, connective tissue proper. That connective tissue proper is divided into 2 types. Divided into two types. First one, the loose connective tissue. Second one, a dense connective tissue. Loose connective tissue and dense connective tissue. That loose connective tissue divided into three types. First one is the areolar tissue. Second one, adipose tissue. Third one, a reticular tissue. Areolar tissue, adipose tissue, and reticular tissue. Next one, dense connective tissue is divided into three types. It is also divided into three types. First one, dense regular connective tissue. Second one, dense irregular connective tissue. Third one, elastic connective tissues. So these are the division of the connective tissue proper. The sub branches: loose connective tissue, dense connective tissue. The loose connective tissue contains areolar tissue, adipose tissue, reticular tissue. Next one, dense connective tissue. That dense connective tissue presenting on the three types: dense regular connective tissue, dense irregular connective tissue, and elastic connective tissues. First heading, loose connective tissue. First one, loose connective tissue. First one, a loose connective tissue. Loose connective tissues. The loose connective tissue means the tissues are loosely connecting. The tissues are the loosely connecting. These are the three types. First one, areolar tissue. First one, areolar tissue. First one, areolar tissue. Second one, adipose tissue. Adipose tissue. Third one, a reticular tissue. Reticular tissue, areolar tissue, adipose tissue, and reticular tissue. Today discuss only areolar tissue. Only this time discuss only areolar tissues. That areolar tissues contain a cells and fibers. The areolar tissue contain a cells and fibers. Cells and fibers. The cells are the first one, fibroblast cells. Fibroblast cells. Second one, mast cells. Third one, macrophages. Fourth one, lymphocytes. Fifth one, adipocytes. So they are the areolar tissue cells. Areolar tissue contain 5 types of the cells: fibroblast cells, mast cells, macrophages. Next one, lymphocytes. Next one, adipocytes. The fibers are the 3 types. First one, collagen fiber. Second one, a reticular fiber. Third one, elastic fibers. The areolar tissue contain cells and fibers. First one, cells, areolar tissue cells, fibroblast cells, mast cells, macrophages, lymphocytes, and adipocytes. Next one, fibers. There the fibers are the 3 types: collagen fibers, reticular fibers, and elastic fibers. So first heading, fibroblast cells. Fibroblast cells. Fibroblast cells. The fibroblast cells are the most common cells. Most common cells. Fibroblast cells are the most common cells. They secretion from the fibers. Next one, the inactive fibroblast cells. Called fibrocytes. Called fibrocytes. The inactive fibroblast cells are called the fibrocytes. First one, fibroblast cells. The fibroblast cells are the most common cells. These are releasing from the fibers. They are releasing from the fibers. Next one, the inactive fibroblast cells. The inactive fibroblast cells are called the fibrocytes. Fibrocytes. Next one, second one, the mast cells. Second one, mast cells. Second one, mast cells. The mast cells secretion from the heparin. Secretion from the heparin. So these are the blood anticoagulant. Blood anticoagulant. The heparin is a blood anticoagulant. Next one, heparin bradykinin. Histamine and bradykinin. Histamine and bradykinin. So these are the vasodilators. Bradykinin. So histamine and bradykinin. Histamine and bradykinin. So they are the vasodilators. A vasodilator means the blood vessels are the increases. Blood vessel sizes are the increases. Blood vessel sizes are the decreases. Next one, serotonin. Serotonin. Heparin, histamine and bradykinin and serotonin. These are the vasoconstrictors. Vasoconstrictors. So vasoconstrictor means for example, these are the normal blood vessel size. These hormone functioning is decreasing the blood vessel size, decreasing the blood vessel sizes. Next one, histamine and bradykinin. These are the normal blood vessel size. So these are the normal blood vessel size. So these are releasing the size is the increases. So these are the vasodilators and vasoconstrictors. Vaso means vessels. Vessels are the decreases or increases. So these are the mast cells. Mast cells are the releasing from the heparin. Heparin is a blood anticoagulant. Second one, histamine and bradykinin. Histamine and bradykinin. So these are the vasodilators. Next one, serotonin. The serotonin is these are the vasoconstrictor. Vasoconstrictor. So these are the mast cells. Next one, third one is the macrophages. Third one, macrophages. Macrophages. Third one is the macrophages. So these are the amoeboid cells. Macrophages are the amoeboid cells. Amoeboid cells. Macrophages are the amoeboid cells. Because of amoeboid cells, because of they are present in the pseudopodias, like pseudopodia. Like pseudopodia. These pseudopodia functioning is the helps from the locomotion, helps from the locomotion from the one place to another place. So they are the amoeboid cells. Next one, these are the phagocytic in function. Phagocytic in function. Phagocytic in function. The phagocytic function means they eating to the foreign particles. They eating to the foreign particles. Phagocytic function means eating to the foreign particles. Next one, the macrophages are act as the internal scavengers. Internal scavengers. Internal scavengers. Next one, these are the macrophages. The macrophages means these are the amoeboid cells. Next one, they are the phagocytic in function. Phagocytic in function means they are eating to the foreign particles. It is also called the internal scavengers. Internal scavengers. Next one, fourth one, lymphocytes. Fourth one, lymphocytes. Fourth one, lymphocytes. The lymphocytes is derived from the B cells. Derived from the B cells. The lymphocytes are derived from the B cells. The lymphocytes production of antibodies. Produce the antibodies. So, these are the lymphocytes. The lymphocytes is production from the B lymphocytes. Next one, this is production of the antibodies. Next one, last one, fifth one, adipocytes. Fifth one, adipocytes. Fifth one is the adipocytes. So, the adipocytes means these are the store of the fats. Store the fats. These are the adipocytes means these are the store the fats. So, these are the 5 types of the areolar tissue cells. Areolar tissue cells. That areolar tissue cells are the 5 types. First one fibroblast cells, second one mast cells, third one macrophages, fourth one lymphocytes, fifth one adipocytes. First one fibroblast cells. The fibroblast cells, they are the most common cells, they secretion from the fibers. Next one, the inactive fibroblast cells are called the fibrocytes. Second one, mast cells. Mast cells. So, they are mast cells, they are releasing from the heparin. So, the heparin is the blood anticoagulant. Next one, histamine and bradykinin. So, they are the vasodilators. Next one, serotonin. So, serotonin is the vasoconstriction. Vasoconstriction. Next one, the macrophages. The macrophages means these are the amoeboid cells. These are the amoeboid cells. Next one, they functioning is the phagocytic in function. Phagocytic in function. Phagocytic in function means they eating to the foreign particles. Next one, they act as the internal scavengers. Act as the internal scavengers. Next one, they are the fourth one, lymphocytes. Lymphocyte means, so they are derived from the B lymphocytes, the bone marrow lymphocytes. Next one, these function from the production of antibodies. Production of antibodies. Next one, last one, adipocytes. So, adipocytes are the special cells. They are the store of the fats. They are storing the fats. So, they are the 5 types of the areolar tissue cells. Next one, fibers. Next one, fibers. Fibers are the 3 types. First one, collagen fiber. Second one, reticular fiber. Third one, elastic fiber. Collagen fiber, reticular fiber, elastic fiber. First one, collagen fiber. First one, collagen fiber. That collagen fiber color is the white color. The collagen fiber color is the white color. Next one, these fiber formed by the protein. That protein is called the collagen. The fibers formed by the protein. That protein is called the collagen. Next one, the collagen fibers are the bundles. These are the bundles. They are formed by the bundles. Next one, the collagen fibers are the strong and stretch resistant. Strong and stretch resistant. They are the strong and stretch resistant of the areolar tissue. So, these are the collagen fiber. Second one, reticular fiber. Reticular fiber. Second one, reticular fiber. That reticular fiber formed by the protein. Formed by the protein. That protein is called the collagen. That proteins are called the collagen. The fibers are the thin and formation of the network. Thin and formation of the network. Next one, these are the support. support of the tissues. So, they are the reticular tissues. Last one, elastic tissue. Third one, elastic tissue. The elastic tissue, these are color is the yellow color. The color is the yellow color. The formed by the protein elastin. The formed by the protein elastin. The protein is the elastin. Next one, the elastic fibers are the branched. The fibers are the branched. So, these are the three types of the fibers. The areolar tissue contain three types of the fibers: collagen fiber, reticular fiber, elastic fiber. First one, reticollagen fiber. That collagen fiber color is the white color. The collagen fiber color is the white color. Next one, the collagen fibers are formed by the protein. That protein name is called the collagen. The collagen fibers formed by the protein. That protein is called the collagen. Next one, the collagen fibers are the bundles. They look like a bundles. So, next one, these are supporting to the strong and stretch resistant of the collagen fibers of the areolar tissue. Second one, reticular fibers. Reticular fibers. The reticular fibers are formed by the protein collagen. The reticular fibers also formed by the protein collagen. Next one, they are the thin and network. These fibers are the thin and the formation of the network. So, they are the support of the tissues. Support of the tissues. Third one, elastic fibers. Third one, elastic fiber. Third one, elastic fibers. So, the elastic fibers, that color is the yellow color. Color is the yellow color. Next one, these elastic fibers formed by the protein. That protein name is called the elastin. The protein name is called elastin. Next one, these branches, the elastic fibers are the branched. The elastic fibers are the branched. So, they are also presenting on the elastic cartilages. Also presenting on the elastic cartilages and elastic ligaments. So, these are the only loose connective tissue, only areolar tissue. And the next topic, adipose tissue and reticular tissue. So, they are the only complete the areolar tissue. Areolar tissue presenting on the cells and fibers. Cells are the 5 types: fibroblast cells, mast cells, macrophages, lymphocytes, adipocytes. Fibers are the 3 types: collagen fibers, reticular fibers and elastic fibers. The areolar tissue is completed. And the next topic, adipose tissue.